Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your OPPO Enco 3.2 to your iPhone. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings, Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is on, like this. Now, to go into pairing mode with your OPPO, you need to open the case, and on the right side there's this button right here. Just hold it for a few seconds. And then there should be the soft light blinking right here, and they should show up in other devices as well. So you press on them and you're connected. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.